Avoid common adverb mistakes. Boost your English grammar skills. Hello everyone. Welcome to our lesson today. We are diving into the fascinating world of English grammar, particularly focusing on the adjectives and adverbs section. Our main topic of discussion will be the misuse of adverbs and adjectives. We'll identify common mistakes, discuss how to avoid them, and learn how to use adverbs and adjectives correctly. Before we move into the common mistakes, let's briefly revise what adverbs and adjectives are. Adjectives describe, identify, or further define nouns and pronouns. For example, in the sentence, "The cat is black," black is an adjective modifying the noun, cat. Adverbs, on the other hand, modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. They usually answer questions like how, in what way, when, where, and to what extent. For instance, in the sentence, "He runs quickly," quickly is an adverb modifying the verb, runs. Now, let's dig into some common mistakes involving adverbs. Mistake 1. Double negatives. Often, people unintentionally use double negatives, which can make a sentence confusing. For example, "I don't need no help" is incorrect because "don't" and "no" create a double negative. The correct sentence is, "I don't need any help." Mistake 2. Adverb placement. The placement of adverbs can change the meaning of a sentence. Incorrect placement may lead to confusion. For instance, "I only have 3 apples" means you have no more than 3 apples, whereas "I have only 3 apples" means that all you have are 3 apples, nothing more. Let's turn to adjectives now and see some common errors we need to watch out for. Mistake 1. Adjective overuse. Adjectives should enhance your sentences, not clutter them. Overusing adjectives can make sentences long, redundant, and confusing. For example, "She wore a beautiful, long, shiny, flowing, blue dress" can simply be, "She wore a beautiful long blue dress." Mistake 2. Incorrect order of adjectives. When using multiple adjectives, order matters. Generally, the order is quantity, quality, size, age, shape, color, proper adjective, often nationality, other place of origin, or material, purpose or qualifier. For example, we say, "I love that old Italian leather sofa," and not, "I love that leather old Italian sofa." And there we have it. I hope this video helped you understand common mistakes in using adverbs and adjectives. Keep these points in mind while crafting your sentences, and your English grammar skills will surely improve. Remember, practice is key. The more you write and speak, the more comfortable you'll become. So, keep practicing and keep learning. Until next time, happy learning.